How to set up an EZVIZ camera. So I'll show you how you can set up your CCTV camera and how you can go and link it to your mobile phone. So all you need for this is the camera itself, like so, and then you need the power cord that runs from the camera to the main power supply. So just grab your cable and plug the USB-C end into the camera. You could then plug the other end into a main power outlet. Now, once your camera is turned on like this, you can go and head over to your iPhone. Now, from your iPhone, open up the App Store, and then you need to use the search box to type in EZVIZ. You can then click on this app, which is the official EZVIZ app, and you'll need to click on the download button to install this onto your iPhone. You could then just wait a few seconds while the app downloads. Once it's downloaded, just go and open up the app. You'll get this pop-up asking to grant permissions, press continue. You'll then need to select your location and go and press save. Now, before we can use this app, we need to go and create a free account. So you can either sign in using one of your social media accounts, or you can just press create new account at the bottom of the page, and then just go through the steps to create a free account. You may get a Bluetooth notification pop-up. Make sure to select allow while using the app. And now from here, we can go and add our camera. So click on the plus icon in the top right hand side and press scan QR code. You'll get a camera access notification, press allow, and you'll get a Bluetooth notification, click on allow again. So what we need to do is go and scan the QR code on our camera. Now this can be found at the bottom of the camera, and you can just go and unscrew this plastic lid and you'll be able to find the QR code from here. And you can point your camera at the QR code to go and add the device. Now once it's scanned, you'll get this pop-up window, and it should now say that the device is added. Now select the option for devices powered on and press network setup. So what we need to do now is set up the Wi-Fi on the camera. So if you go and press next, you can then just continue through these steps by connecting your camera to the Wi-Fi. So you'll need to go and select a Wi-Fi network, and you'll need to enter the password for this Wi-Fi router. So this would typically just be your home Wi-Fi router settings. And then you can go through these steps and just press join. You can then wait while your camera goes and connects to this network. Now, if you head back over to the home screen on your app, you should be able to find your camera. If you go and click on it, it may ask for a verification code, and this can be found at the bottom of your camera. So if you go and look at the bottom of your camera, you should be able to find your activation code from here, and then you'll just need to go and type that into this window. Now, once your camera is enabled, you can just go and select it from the list. And here you'll be able to find your camera preview. Now you can also click on PTZ at the bottom of the page, and this is where you can go and tilt your camera side to side, and this allows you to get better angles when viewing your camera. So that's how to set up and use your EZVIZ camera.